are Nat King Cole.
Unsure
Smile.
how to reduce fine lines
Ayan,
and
kahit
acne
walang
marks?
mga beans,
Olay Retinol
smile,
Max is
smile lang
your
tayo.
answer.
Juby,
It's now available and penetrates 2 times more to boost skin renewal.
Diba?
Visibly reduces fine lines and acne marks in just 7
Ganun
nights.
talagang buhay sa Bigo. Hindi ko alam kung buhay o walang kabuhay-buhay. Kaya kakantahan ko na lang ngayon na Smile. Smile, though your heart is aching. Smile, even though it's breaking. When there are clouds in the sky, you'll get by. If you smile through your fear and sorrow, smile and maybe tomorrow you'll see the sun come shining through for you. Light up your face with gladness, hide every trace of sadness. Although a tear may be ever so near, that's the time you must keep on trying. Smile, what's the use of crying? You'll find that life is still worthwhile if you just smile. Diba? Totoo yan. Kahit gaano kabigat or minsan nagtatrabaho tayo na mali tayo sa mga ginagawa natin, okay lang. Smile lang. Oo. Para imbis na mapagalitan kayo, smile lang. Diba? So, it's a long way talaga pagka yung nag-i-smile ka. Oo. Napakalaking tulong yan kahit saan. Kahit anong sitwasyon, napakalaking tulong ng pag-smile. Kaya every time you smile, if you just smile,